What's going on YouTube? This is I'm King Joseph and I am bringing you guys another video today. As you guys can tell by the topic and title of this video, we're going to be talking about how to promote your YouTube channel. Alright, so before we jump right into this video, if you guys are new, make sure you guys subscribe to my YouTube channel. We are on the road to 2,000 subscribers, and make sure you guys smash that like button. Let's see if we can hit 25 likes in this video, and leave a comment down below, leave some feedback, let me know what you think down below. Let me know if these tips and tricks are useful for you guys. Let me know if you guys want to see more videos like this one. Alright, let's jump right into it. Alright, how to promote your YouTube channel. Alright, my first tip for you guys is social media. You guys are going to want to use social media to the best of your and to the full of your abilities, so you guys can get your channel the most exposure as you can, to promote your channel as much as you can. So you're going to want to have Twitter, you're going to want to have a Facebook, you're going to possibly want to have an Instagram, Snapchat, Google Plus, and all that. So you can post your videos whenever you have new videos up. You can put on every single one of these social medias, and you'll be able to drive viewers to your YouTube channel, so you'll be able to get more viewers. So that's one way to promote your YouTube channel. On Twitter, you can have it automatically post to your Twitter whenever you upload a video, or you could just post any of the videos that you've uploaded in the past to send out a tweet, and just to help promote your YouTube channel. And same with Google Plus and Skype. If you have your followers and your subscribers follow you on Instagram and Snapchat, whenever you upload a Snapchat or Instagram, those people will be able to see that instantly, and they'll be able to be like, I'm gonna go watch this video because I've seen it on Snapchat, and I've seen it on Instagram, I've seen it on Facebook, and they'll click the video and they'll go view your video. That's one way to promote your YouTube channel. Alright, another tip for you guys, Skype as well. You're going to want to use Skype. If you guys don't have a Skype account yet, make sure you guys go sign up for one. It's a great way to promote your YouTube channel. There's probably thousands upon thousands of YouTubers on Skype, so keep that in mind, my friends. There's promotion Skypes on Skype. You can meet a bunch of YouTubers that you've never met on Skype. Alright, next one for you guys is online video forums. You guys could use online video forums. Go look up forums on Google, and you can sign up and go talk to other YouTubers, other video content creators, and promote your videos there as well. YouTube video ads. You can also put up YouTube video ads to promote your YouTube channel. Like the Ty Lopez here in my garage. You can create your own with your YouTube channel to promote your videos and what you're trying to do on your YouTube channel. So keep that in mind, my friends, because yes, we're all trying to get our Lamborghini. Alright, next one is send your videos to your friends and your family. So whenever you put a new video out, one way to promote it is to send it to your friends via DM, via Messenger, via Twitter, via whatever, and your family as well, if you like to share your YouTube videos with your family and friends. So go ahead and do that. You will get more promotion and more views out of that. And another way is to be active. Another tip for you guys is to be active on all social medias. You're going to want to make sure that you're always active. You don't want to just use Facebook and just let Twitter die out. You're going to always want to, if you have Facebook, Twitter, Google+, Instagram, Snapchat, if you have all those social medias, you're going to want to be active on all those social medias every single day, so that your friends and your subscribers realize that you're always active and you always have content coming out for them. So keep that in mind, my friends. There's just some tips for you guys on how to promote your YouTube channel. I will have more tips and tricks coming out soon, so make sure you guys stay tuned. More tutorial coming out tomorrow as well, so subscribe if you guys are new. Let's see if we can hit 25 likes on this video, and yeah, I'll catch you guys in the next one. Thanks for watching, guys. Peace.